Una hear say they almost buy Donald Trump yesterday. On my think say na only for Africa this kind thing dey happen o. Abeg if you get the full gist reply in the comment section. Anyways, today let's prepare a homemade fish roll. Put your flour in a bowl, add sugar, salt, baking powder, yeast, egg, water and mix properly. Knead and cover for 60 minutes. Prepare your fish fill. Cut the dough, knead and make it flat. Spoon fill the dough and roll. Deep fry on medium heat until it turns golden brown. Our fish roll is ready. For more recipe, follow, like, share and comment. One, bye.